Hello, Christ Episcopal Church. We are going to begin a 4-part video series on Breeze. Breeze is our church management software that we use to maintain our membership records, record individual giving history, and track our weekly attendance for Sunday worship services. This first video is about getting access to Breeze. There are 2 ways in which you can gain access to Breeze. One is through an email invitation. After this video debuts, I will be sending out invitations via email if you have not accessed Breeze before and we have your email address. Your invitation will look like this in your email. The second way to access Breeze is to go directly to our Breeze website. Our web address is christepiscopal.breezechms.com. Here you can enter your name and email address. If there's a record matching in Breeze, you'll receive an email from which you can create an account. From your create an account email, prompted either by yourself, from the website, or from me, you will follow the link and the steps to create your account. Basically, set up your username and password. That's it. You have access to Breeze. Remember to put your username and password somewhere safe so you can access Breeze in the future. If you are someone who has created an account in the past but misplaced your username or password, please contact me at beckyp@christepiscopal.org and we can get things reset for you. Next week, I will walk you through viewing and editing your profile, followed by looking at your giving history and finishing our video series with how to use Breeze as a directory.